going with the little vlog today. So
oh my god,
we're trying to catch the sunset. We're waiting on John right now, but we're gonna take some photos and some videos of these cars, get some rolling shots.
rollers.
You guys maybe remember Chase, but I think the last video you guys saw was with his 240. So
I have hella cars.
we'll see you guys when John gets here, I suppose. It is. Don't even back in, we're leaving. Woo! Twins!
Same thing.
Got the new wheels though. Alright, we out here with John and Chase. Just missed the sunset sadly, but we'll try to get some 6 shots here with low light. We'll see what we can work with.